everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm bored. Sunday afternoon. I'm just bored. Well, I guess what we're gonna do, y'all can come along with me if you want to. I mean, you know, I'm pretty sure y'all bored too, being Sunday. NFL season to start. You know, I'm good. My team ain't gonna do too much of nothing. I ain't gonna say who it is, but you know. But anyway, I'm bored, so I done went and grabbed the Pelican Bass Raider, and I'm heading on down to this lake up in Louisville. You know, it's the only lake I can go to that I don't have to pay. So that's why I always come back and forth to this lake. So I'm gonna head down this way and see what's jumping on this Sunday afternoon. So hopefully we'll catch us some. It's showing about 90 degrees right now, temperature wise, and looks like it might wants to rain, but I have checked the forecast and it said it's supposed to be no chance of rain today, which, you know, can't really depend on the apps, weatherman, weatherwoman, whatever you want to call them. You got to depend on that man upstairs. But anyway, we're going to take our chance anyway, either way it go, and head out to this lake, and we're going to see what we can do. Hopefully they biting today. Like I say, it's overcast, about 90 degrees. So we're not going to know until we get out there and throw the lines in the water and see what happens. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy the ride while we get on back down to the lake and see what happens. You having any luck?
Nah, I just got here, bro.
Oh, did you?
Probably fixing to
I hope so.
jump in.
What you catching?
Catfish right now.
Oh Lord, that's what I'm going for. I might have to stop back by.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna go hit the lake up.
Take it easy.
Alright, you too now. Good luck. Okay, freaking. All right, as you can see, we done made it to the lake, so it's time to get this baby saddled up or saddled out and get it in the water. Y'all hold on, let's get it loaded and get it on the water.
I got a new toy.
I see. What's going on?
What's up? I got a new toy. Just picked it up.
Just now?
Yeah. Just think.
My phone won't lie. How fast it go?
I think I got. This goes 51. It's,
Oh really?
Yeah.
Dang.
You can clip a wire and it goes way faster.
Really? So it's bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it. I just got it in downtown Dallas.
Oh, really?
It was kind of sketchy. I'm like, hey, case, but I like it.
Dang. How much you pay for it?
$2,500, and that's cheap.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Usually they're like $4 grand.
Right.
It's
You're
used.
gonna need some tires soon.
It's obvious it's used. They've been doing burnouts and
Right.
stuff. I think all I need is this. I'm gonna powder coat the frame, probably like baby blue. It'll look real good. It's missing a small piece here, then just
Right.
the ignition holder.
You probably go online and find out that stuff.
For sure.
Yeah. That's not bad. I like it.
I like it.
Yeah, okay.
But you'll probably see me around.
It's only one brake.
Yeah.
Let's get you another brake.
It has a front brake.
Yeah, just ain't on
But
it.
it's just not on.
Yeah.
I just wanted to come show you. I saw you.
Okay. I'm gonna go out and see what I can do. Hopefully I can do something.
Oh, you just got here? Yes, sir. You have a good day?
Alright, we'll see. I post something online if I get
You'll
something.
probably see some TikToks in this thing now.
Yeah, I hope so. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like that. Alright. Oh, Lord. Where they at? Oh, right over there? Well, I got standing room. All right. Well, I'm going to go and park it then, I guess, and
I'll make
they're on the jet ski?
No, they're on a Moomba.
Oh, okay.
Big boat, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, they way over there.
I used to have one of these too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I
Oh,
gave it
yeah.
to my uncle though.
They're fun to have, huh?
Yeah. They're sweet. I didn't have a nice motor like that.
Oh,
so
okay. I
I
ain't
just
too long got that. That's a 6 on that one, so.
Yeah, I just had a trolling motor.
I got a trolling motor too.
Yeah, that's
Just-
all I
just
had.
never know.
That's
Just
all
never
I had.
know.
Yeah.
No, but yep.
Nice, man.
You can go out here and see I can catch some and put on my channel and see what happens. You never know.
Yeah,
You gotta go out there to throw so you know.
Exactly.
That's my motto.
Throw so you know. I like it, man.
What was your name?
Evan.
Darian.
Darian?
Yeah.
Good to meet
yeah.
you, man. You're on YouTube or
Yeah,
what?
Fishing with Darian 53.
You on Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram. I'm on the yeah, TikTok too. But I don't put too much on Instagram. But I'm finna start posting out on everything. So yep, yes sir, yes sir.
Look,
Yeah.
Fisherman Darren, Fisherman Darren on Instagram.
I think. All right. Let's see what we got going on today. We got a little fish activities going by. So let's get to throwing some lines out. And let's see what we can do. All right. Let's see what's going on with today's forecast. Today's forecast is a catch a big one, hopefully. If not, oh well. All right. Dang it. I didn't bring my I didn't bring my towels with me to wipe my face, so I'm gonna have to use my towel to wipe my face and wipe my hands. Anyway, I don't care. Let's get the picture. Let's get to doing this. Heck yeah. Let me push this trolling motor out because we don't need it to be interfering with what we got going on. Alright, I got the fishing gear out the way. I mean the trolling motor out the way, so we're gonna see what we can do today. The camera just seemed like it's just too low to me, but it was showing to be in the picture, so let me make sure I'm in the picture before I continue and be angry. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, that's a beautiful guy right there in the picture. That is a handsome guy. Hey y'all. Hey. Hey everybody. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, Fishing with Darian 53 on them tubes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I gotta get set up and get going because it's about, I ain't got my watch. Anyway, it's about fishing time. That's what it is. It's about fishing time. So we finna get these lines set up and we finna get on out here and see what we're gonna haul in today. Y'all stay tuned. Uh-oh. We got one, y'all. We got one. Everybody hold on. Hold your horses. We got one. Woo! 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 All right. I was up on that time. The little bitty one. That's all right. We got one. Yeah, we got one. Heck yeah. Wasn't a total skunk today. We got one. Yep. We got us one, baby. We got us one today. We got us one. We got it. Yeah. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. Nice little baby. Nice little baby. Okay. All right. Thank you for hitting the line today, baby. I love you. I'm gonna let you go. I ain't gonna keep you. You ain't gotta worry about it. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, little butt. Don't you offend me. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, buddy. He tried to get out of here. But we gotta let him go, alright? Hey, not a skunk today. That's good. We didn't have a skunk, so that's a good thing. Yeah, as I was moving to a different location, I seen him down in the water, and this time it actually paid off. I actually got one. Alright, let's go try this again. Oh, we got him now. Yeah, we got him. Yes. We got him, baby. We got him. A little bitty one. A little bitty one. But it's the second one. A little bitty baby one. But we got him. We got one more. One more for the day. Got a second one for the day. Yep. We got a second one. Second one today, baby. Yes. Number 2. Oh, we got nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing. Got nothing. Oh. We got nothing. Oh. Ah. He got off. Ah. Ah, I don't like these treble hooks. I hate these treble hooks, but I'm about to give me some new ones. Oh. Ah. Oh, he got his butt off. It's alright. Oh, these fish got me going all of a sudden. One just jumped up over there again. Lord have mercy. Oh, oh man. Exciting day. Oh, couldn't even get the other in the water yet. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and get this one back down right quick. I'm using that Secret 7 on this one. So, they hitting the Secret 7 today too. Y'all keep on hitting. I love you. Keep on hitting. I'm just dropping this down off the side of the boat. Cause I don't want to throw it out there and throw it off, so far it's working. Yeah. Alright. Just drop it off the side of the boat and let it do what it do. I tell y'all, These dang fish are jumping today. I kid you not. These fish are out here jumping. This is crazy. Alright. Let's see what we can get this time. Okay. Go back over in that same spot, hopefully, and catch us a nut. That's good. That was good. I like that. Okay. Whew. My gosh. Whew. It gave me a second to. 2 fish was hitting the line. Brought one out. Didn't bring the other out, but that's alright. He hit. Nah. Thought one was hitting the line already. That was a good one. Yeah. Alright, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. It wasn't a bad day after all. I caught 2 small ones, which, you know, hey, it wasn't a skunk, but it wasn't the best, but it was something. But anyway, I was fishing with that Secret 7 as well. Secret 7. And I had a fish that hit it pretty good, actually. But I just couldn't hook him on that treble hook with the, I don't know, the plastic deal that beads around the hook, I guess. But anyway, hold on, y'all. We got one as I was talking, my bad. All right. Got a third one. We got a third one, so not bad, not bad. Not bad. A third. So slippery, you know. They're so dang slippery you can't catch them. But open your mouth. This makes for the third one today, so I guess it's not too bad. A little small one too. The third one, not bad. It's all good. We're gonna put them back too. Well, I was getting ready to tell y'all I was going home, but after catching 2 today, but that third one showed up and I was trying to end the video. So, I mean, I guess it's trying to tell me something. So, I'm going to give it a few more minutes, maybe another hour or so, and we're going to see what else we can catch then. Since that third one just showed up when I'm trying to go home, guess he's trying to tell me something. But let's give it another hour and see what happens.